So, boom. I woke up one day, looked at my bank account and realized something tragic. I have champagne dreams, but a meal deal budget. Because I've been looking at electric bikes here, and somehow every decent e-bike costs the same as a small holiday. You got brands out here acting like they're selling a Tesla with pedals, bro. $4,000 for something I still cannot legally ride. Respectfully, nah. Rasta? Can I have a Surron, please? Realistically, I'm not getting a free Surron from Rasta. So I thought, hold on, this is Rasta on the ride. What if I just build my own electric bike using only Amazon parts? No dodgy 3-week shipping. No, your parcel is somewhere between Earth and Mars. Just pure Amazon Prime energy. So in this video, we're building a full DIY electric bike conversion using an e-bike conversion kit setup, but pieced together manually. Budget build, custom setup, maximum chaos. And if you want to build your own electric bike, I've got the full parts list in the description. Step 1. The base bike. Choose your character. Before we even touch wires and batteries, you need to decide one thing. What kind of rider are you? Not what's the easiest. Not what YouTube says. What vibes are you on, bro? You want to hit the trails? Mountain bike. You commuting through traffic like in GTA? Hybrid commuter. You just want to cruise, look cool and confuse pedestrians? Cruiser bike. Me? I'm building something with style, a lowrider inspired electric cruiser. So I grabbed one of the cheapest bikes I could find on Amazon, a 26-inch beach cruiser frame. Because listen, this isn't just an electric bike build, this is a personality. Step 2. The battery, the heart of the beast. Now let's talk about the most important and most expensive part. The lithium e-bike battery. This is not where you cheap out, bro. You can skip dessert, you can skip takeaways, but do not skip on the battery, because your battery voltage controls everything. 36 volt battery, chill, legal speeds. 15 to 20 miles an hour, budget friendly. 48 volt, more torque, more speed, 25 to 30 miles an hour. 60 to 72 volt battery. Now you're building a problem and possibly a court case. If you're in the UK, remember, keep it 250 watts and roll legal if you don't want your e-bike confiscated mid-vibe, because nothing kills you a day faster than...
Sir, step off the bike.
Step 3. The controller, the brain. Next up, the e-bike controller. This little box decides how your e-bike behaves, bro. Think of it like the difference between a calm Uber driver and a guy who just drank 3 energy drinks and chose violence. You need to match your controller voltage to your battery. 48 volt battery, 48 volt controller. Simple. Now amps. That's where the fun starts. 15 to 20 amps, smooth acceleration, commuter friendly. In fact, your battery will last much longer. 30 amps, now we're talking. 40 amps plus, congratulations. You built an electric personality disorder. Higher amps equals faster acceleration, more torque, more hold on tight. Step 4. Motor choice. How you move, bro. Now the big question. Front hub, rear hub, or mid-drive motor? Let me break it down for you. Front hub motor, beginner friendly. This thing pulls you forward like, don't worry bro, I got you. Super stable, easy ride. Even if your cycling skills are a bit questionable. Rear hub motor. Now we're getting spicy. This pushes you forward, motorcycle style. Better for wheelies, better for power, slightly more, don't mess this up. Mid-drive motor. Technically impressive, but also high maintenance, change stress, more complexity. Translation: if this is your first build, don't do this to yourself, bro. Step 5. The throttle and controls. Now, how do we actually control this thing? You've got options, bro. Thumb throttle, simple, reliable, clean setup. Twist throttle with display, fancy, gives speed, battery info, displays look so cool until it rains. Suddenly, your bike's having emotional issues. So if you go with a screen, make it waterproof. Because British weather doesn't care about your wiring. Step 6. Waterproof and wiring. Don't be that guy. Quick tip that will save your entire electric bike build. Water, it will find a way in. So use proper cable routing and add a drip loop to your motor wires. Keep your controller protected because one rainy ride and suddenly your electric bike conversion becomes a regular bike with trauma. Step 7. Clean build, less polyester tension. Now listen carefully. This is important. If your e-bike looks like you built it in 7 minutes using tape and regret, you will get stopped. Keep it clean, tidy, professionally mounted because the more DIY it looks, the more it screams, "Pull me, officer." Also, don't ride like you're escaping a heist. No balaclavas, no wheelies at pedestrians, no acting like your e-bike is a getaway vehicle. We're building an electric bicycle, not a criminal record. Build complete. So after all that, Amazon came through. Parts arrived, wires connected, battery mounted, and somehow we now have a fully working DIY electric bike built entirely from Amazon parts. Budget friendly, custom built, and honestly, it looks kind of dangerous and gorgeous at the same time. We're like baddies around here. Now, there's only one thing left to do. Take this thing outside and see if it actually rides as good as it sounds. So yeah, this is how the test ride went.
What are you doing? You went to give me away, you know? Oh man. That's to overtake. I have to come off the power, bro. Whole system showing 54 volts, hot off the charger. My god, we just hit a butt bump. Even though no suspension, she survived. Sheesh. Flying, broski. Woo. And of course, let's go. Bro. Thank you. Doing the roundabout fully. All the way. Thank you. Looking out for the popo, obviously. Following the roundabout around the proper way, people and all that. Let's see if we can get through. Right, bro, thank you. Keeping it chill, keeping it incognito. You gotta hide your thing, bro. You know it's fast. You don't need to show everyone that it's fast, you know what I mean? That's the trick to keeping your bike from getting seized, bro. You go fast everywhere, you're gonna draw attention to yourself, bro. But you keep it chill like this, you know, you can open up the throttle when it's time, bro. There's a time and a place, and the town center is the worst place to do it. So you just keep it chill, my guy.